Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. Welcome to another unboxing. We're going to look at some things that you can find in Feed the Birdies Etsy shop. And many of you know she was my guest designer for June, so we are completing the month of June, and she had one more box for me, and I'm going to share some of the things that are like actually kits or packs in her shop. I've been showing you all kinds of things that you can find in her shop the last couple weeks, but I'm gonna get started. She also sent me just some fun things, so I have not gone through here. We're just gonna go through it together, and who doesn't like to see fun vintage items? And yeah, let's go ahead. So she sent some very sweet things to my daughter Arlo, who also loves crafting, and I had to steal a couple just to show you how cute these were. Look at this Rainbow Bright book. We are very zoomed in, sorry about that. She also made Arlo like her own little junk journaling kit, along with 2 junk journals. And you guys are just so sweet. Yeah, this book is really cool, but we have a lot to look through. Look at this. It's a sewing learning book. And then I just thought this was so cute. It's a card, like a large card. I remember these. I don't see big cards like this anymore, but I just died when I saw the actual envelope. How fun is that? All right, let's see. I want to make this somewhat organized, but like I said, I haven't gone through it, so let's see here. Okay, so she supplied some black and white photos for my journal packs for June, and so in her shop, she also has kits that have 12 black and white snapshots, all different. And so then she sent me just a bunch here so you can get an idea of what the black and white photos look like. And of course, if you have questions, you can look on her listings and make sure to check out like her shipping time and all of that, because we had sent her so many orders that for a while there, I know she had so many orders that she was like kind of getting through. And so just make sure that you check out all of that if you have any questions. But these are so much fun. I loved using the black and white photos that she sent in my journaling. I did like a junk journaling. I decorated a junk journal and made like a whole story kind of thing, and it was so much fun. I want to do that again. So anyways, you get the idea. Just really fun, cool black and white photos. And thanks for sending me extra. Here. Okay, let's see what we've got here. So this is a good example of like what she actually has, like how they will come. 50 envelopes pack. And so that's cool. I see a lot of paper packs, but I don't think I've seen very many just envelope packs, and I love using envelopes in my journals. So let's take a peek. I am just gonna put these in my stash and use them all up. So it looks like 50 is a lot also. We've even got some plain ones, of course, so you're just going to have a whole variety here. I love a good vintage white envelope. I don't know why. I just do. Ooh, fun. Yeah, I like that they're not all white. You get all kinds of different ones in this pack. Ooh, cute. Look at this. Like, it's just the little details that I love. Like, oh, this one might, sometimes, you know, on a vintage envelope, it's kind of sticky around. Whoopsies. Well, you get the point. But look at that. It's like a wavy kind of, that's so fun. You get policy envelopes. So many different kinds. I was wondering if there was like any junk envelopes, but okay, envelopes from like different companies. Hallmark. I guess in these big packs, probably we won't go through every single little thing, but oh, fun. I've seen these type before. Oh, I think she gave me some of these around Christmas time like last year, and I love that little detail. This will be so much fun to play around with and to have on hand. Look at that. You get some from different places too. Window envelopes. All different sizes and colors. Let's see, some type of and then some really big ones. That is super fun. Love that. All right. I'll put everything that we looked at over here. Let's see here. Let's pull this out. Oh, she labeled most of this so that we would know what was what. I'm gonna set that over there. Okay, so this is another thing that she has in her shop, and I'm gonna read off here. It says, tons of sheets, 100 notepad, scratch pad, assorted. Okay, and she's one for me and one. Okay, and one for me and one for the giveaway. So some of these things, by the way, yeah, I forgot to mention that in the beginning. Some of these things you are going to see in my upcoming 100K live stream giveaway. And I was just actually talking to her about that. She may send some of the giveaway items from her shop. I have to organize the giveaway situation. But basically, she has all kinds of business, scratch pads, lined index, purse notes, teacher notes, ledger, obviously. So this is a really fun assortment. She was telling me how she kind of curates these packs, and she tries not to make too many of the papers be like the same type. Like it's an actual variety, if that makes sense. Like, you know, there might be two of the same, whatever, with writing paper. But other than that, I think she said she tries not to do, yeah, I don't know, like too many of the same one. This is a fun pack. Every pack obviously is going to be slightly different. Oh, she has the fun ledger. See, I love this one that has pink and blue in it. I really do. This is such a fun pack of papers for your journals. I actually recently used some of her paper packs in my recent patchwork journals. And let me just tell you, those journals were some of my favorite to make because they had such a fun variety of papers. Look at this, like, sorry, I'm out of frame there, but I love that there's graph papers, different colors, construction, different sizes. This is just the perfect way to have a nice big variety. We've got book pages. And just in case you're either new or you haven't seen my patchwork journals, I thought I would grab one just so I can actually show you. So here's a good example. Vintage doilies. This was such a fun journal to make. I added a little bit of scrapbook paper, but other than that, like even these were vintage. Ledger paper, vintage book pages. I did use vintage braille that I dyed. But yeah, it just made my journal making so easy because I had so many different kinds of paper to choose from thanks to her. Okay, so yeah, this is a lot of papers, and for the price, I feel like it's even better. All right, so let's see what else, because we got lots of goodies, and she is so sweet to send me all this because she already sent me so much that I am so grateful to have lovely friends like her, and I'm so glad that so many of you went and followed her. You guys, I think, know that I will not highlight Etsy shops that I don't 100% stand by and love, and I feel so appreciative that I get to work with so many people so closely. So here's a second paper pack. We won't go through that. That's because she gave me one and then she gave y'all one. So I will have a video coming up soon, and I'll show you all of the giveaway prizes that will be offered at the 100K live stream. Oh my gosh, I forgot that she told me she was throwing these in last minute. So much ledger paper. You are amazing. I don't know if she has the full packs in her shop, but I could not be more excited for this. I don't know why, but I just love ledger paper. Oh, whoops, I missed, there was a nice little thing in here for Arlo again. And like I said, she made the cutest little pack for Arlo. We actually FaceTimed Birdie. I try not to have Arlo on my channel too much, and so I didn't do an unboxing with her, but so this is another thing in her shop. It's 20 to 25 children's card game pieces. This is for me. That's so nice. Okay. So this is also a fun way to get like ephemera, especially if you're looking for more like nostalgic kinds of things to use in your journals. Cards are so much fun, but so are game pieces. Like you can use these for decorating little clusters, making different dangles even. And I try to show different ways that you can use stuff like this on my channel regularly. So that's a really fun pack. I love that kitty card. I am going to hoard that, but I might actually put it in my journal. There we go. Let's see, we have so much more. So listed on Etsy, and this is a 20 sheets of vintage more. See, I don't know all like the different name brands of papers and stuff. She's so knowledgeable. Only $3.95. This is a fun paper. Let's get it out. It looks like it's very long, or it looks like it's very wide. Okay, so this could be great if you are making, I don't know why my zooming in is so, this could be awesome if you're making a big giant journal, because you can actually have the lines go the right way and you can fold it in half. Super fun. I'm gonna have so much fun organizing all of this. Let's see. This is another thing listed on Etsy as mimeograph smell. Remember vintage or blue or, oh, I'm not familiar with this. These are fun. Wait, did she say smell? No, that's probably just, sorry, that would be funny. Okay, let's go ahead and, oops, I don't want to ruin these packagings, but I want to get a good look. Okay, this is fun. As I actually smell it. I don't think that's what it said. Oh my gosh, this is fun. Look at that. In such, again, such a fun variety. It does remind me of like being in school for sure. So there's those. That's a fun pack. Oh my gosh, I would just love to see everything that she has. This, oh boy, this is probably going to be one of my favorite packs. I just love different little papers. This is listed on Etsy as 100 sheets, old stock grid, letterhead, lined, graph office paper. Sometimes it's hard to find things on Etsy, so this is really helpful to have these notes. $13.75 for 100 sheets. Oh, wow. That is a really good price. $1 for, yes. Oh, wait. Oh, and she gave me 2 again, so now I have one of these to give away to you guys. Let's take a little peek. So this type of stuff I find to be very expensive. If you're out like at an antique shop, or even sometimes if you're buying online, these packs can be quite expensive. And so it's really fun to have a variety pack like this, so you can have a little bit of everything, but you didn't have to buy everything in bulk. So many different fun pieces, different like cards, papers. They're really fun papers. I feel like these are the ones that are so much fun to collage with. You can use these as journals too, or sorry, journal pages too, but I love using these things to decorate, to create pockets, embellishments, things like that. Look, wow, labels. Ooh, let's look at this card. Or, oh, it's a note paper, but it's like embossed. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, pretty. This is such a fun little pack. I love that. Probably one of my favorites so far. I love those embossed papers. Okay. Make sure I'm not missing anything here. So there we go. So we've got another one. And so that's a fun thing too, is that they're always going to be a bit different. I think she does a good job. You can see some of the same things. She does a really good job at curating and having like a system where you probably, I guess I don't know for sure because I didn't read the listing. I'm going to guess that they vary slightly. That's just kind of how vintage stuff goes. I think it looks like she just gave me some other fun things. Oh my gosh, this is a table cover. That's fun. I have never used a table cover, and I don't want to take the packaging off right now, but I can't tell if that's paper or if it's like a plasticky. Super fun. And the bows are so cute. This kind of reminds me of wallpaper. That is really fun. Oh, yeah, she told me about these. fun little vintage salon care, like kind of like a guest check. Love it. And then it looks like she just gave me some more ledger paper because she knows I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna put this right into my drawer system. I have a drawer system now to hold all of my journal papers, and it has really helped me stay organized. And shoot, I might have to do like another craft studio vlog to organize the rest of these papers, because it'll actually probably take me a while, but that way I can show you how I organize them. I know I've showed the little setup in a couple videos, but in case you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, a couple more things. Sorry, getting sidetracked. Okay, I think this is another pack of the envelopes. That's right. That's awesome. And then we have sorry, you like these for your journaling. Okay, I think she just gave this to me. She thought I would like it, and she's going to be having these in her shop soon. Let's see what this is. This looks like a really fun, ooh, just like so many different things. Tags. I noticed this through the little window here because I love anything embossed and floral. Look at that. Love that. Tickets. When I was talking to her on the phone, by the way, she is so much fun to talk to. See, I'm not knowledgeable about, like, I don't know, she knows so much about vintage stuff. Look at all these actual vintage tickets. These are fun. I have looked into buying tickets like this in bulk so that I can share them in my journal packs, and dang, they are expensive. So, you know, little packs like this make it easy to use. This is a really fun Girl Scouts envelope. Oh my gosh, cute. Ah, I love little cute girly things like this. Some fun cards, doilies. This is a fun pack. I might have either taken off a sticky note, or maybe this is not something that's in her shop, but either way, you can check out her shop because she has many lovely, beautiful things. Look, obsessed. I want to journal right now. I'm keeping this out. I liked quite a few things though that I want to do a journaling layout with, so maybe I'll have to do a junk journaling layout with just some of the things we see here. That would be fun, so I will try to do that before I put it all away. Oh yeah, these bookmark. I don't know why I said bookmark. Bookmarks for cooks, but look at that. I open right up to a mushroom one, and if you don't know, I love and I'm obsessed with mushrooms. I think this is the last thing that I'm going to show you, and she sent me some different trims. These are really pretty. Ooh, I love this one so much. Yay! That was so much fun to open up. Thank you, Birdie. I can't tell you how appreciative I am that I was able to work with you, and you just made the biggest, what am I trying to say? It was so fun to work with you. Jeez, I don't know. I'm tired, but all right, guys. I'll talk to you later, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye, guys.